what does alkaline water do for the body? How is it healthy? You say that it hydrates the cell. What does that mean? Well, how can that make the body healthier?
Well, the very simple answer there is if your cells aren't hydrated, you're not hydrated. You can see this on the surface of your skin. When your dry and cracky skin occurs, it means the tissues aren't working well. And if the tissues aren't working well, neither are the organs. And your skin is the largest organ of the body. It's just a reflection of what else is going on inside. So here's what alkaline water does. First of all, I'm drawing a cell again. And in this cell, with alkalinity, I'm getting penetration of fluid into the cell. Reason that's important is because I have inside my cell DNA. And this DNA requires water to function appropriately. And when your cell is exposed to an acid, this acid makes the DNA wind up into a little teeny ball. Kind of like what happens when you get a fishing line and you just throw all the line on the floor, it wads up into a tiny ball. The DNA can't function anymore. So that cell can't function anymore. And if that's a heart cell or a liver cell or even in your voice, that cell no longer can do the job it was going to do. If it's a muscle cell, it's now 1/10 as strong. It can't perform its work. And as soon as we introduce alkaline water, this alkaline water enters the cell, rescues the DNA, so no longer do you have this wound up, tied up genetic material. It goes back to being healthy. Now the genetic material can say, do the job appropriately. So being hydrated is important. Now, if you have vitamins and minerals that are involved in this as well, you're going to find that antioxidants are the thing that will take water into the cell twice as fast as if it were just alkaline water alone. So vitamins, their job is actually a cofactor. Co meaning they work together. So what we learned about vitamins, let's say vitamin C out here, it's a taxi cab into the cell. It has automatic access called active transport right into the cell. And if we have alkaline water and vitamin C love each other so much that they bond up into one little teeny molecule or one droplet that has immediate access. Vitamins increase the ability to enter the cell. Now, if you take vitamin C with your alkaline water, for instance, in the form of Galaxy or in the form of Live, you're now going to get easy access into the cell. While acidic water is not going to get access. Never going to get in, it's going to be rejected all the time. So by taking alkaline water with antioxidants called vitamins, you're going to have access to the cell even quicker, faster, better. When you have hydrated cells, they live 280 days. When you have dehydrated cells, they only live about 90 days. So people who are anemic and have chronic fatigue, you're killing your cells off too quickly just because you're dehydrated. And you may be drinking tap water, but tap water is not getting into the cell. So if you want to be avoiding chronic fatigue, you want alkaline water with your vitamins in the form of antioxidants that easily access all of your cells. That means the cells live 4 times longer, the amount of time they should live. Dehydration is the quickest way to kill one cell at a time, one tissue at a time. All of your energy starts to leave the body.
Does that mean I'm going to live longer?
Does that mean you're going to live longer?
Like if I have alkaline water and the antioxidants?
Yes is the answer. And in fact, a study done at UCLA Medical School says the person who starts on this type of a process will live 10 healthy years longer. That's a promise from UCLA Medical School. So when you take this type of combination of ingredients, by being hydrated, your cells are going to live longer, you're going to live longer, and the promise is from UCLA Medical School, it will be healthy years longer. Who wants to live 10 extra years if you're sick, tired, and dehydrated? Nobody. It's suffering. Who wants to live 10 extra years if you're healthy? Everybody.
Okay, I have another